Oturia palin. Palm riading, oteruis non a palmistrior chiromancy, practiced all over the world. Routine indian astrologie en roman fortune telling. T'objective to evaluate a person character future be studying at palm of serrant. What you're aspiring palm reader or you're just looking for a fun way to pass the time en impress your friend, even you can learn to gain insight just be holding summoning. Deciphering telling. Ozaan. In palmistry, it tout. For female, the right en you're born with, en let you've accumulated through your life. Formal, it tote way around. The let en you're born with, en the right you've accumulated through your life. Taban said, you can also wish en dominant to be your prosper oblique past life en, te non dominant en ulten be your future life en. The hardy for shoe love to contemate. Some set let en show potentiel en wa could ba, no necessarily wa will be. En a difference in tant couldement on yori about tout action when it come to serve, changing it. Identifie for majorline. Terma be breaking te morte ma be short, buta list très of te martyr. 1. Tirline. 2. Te idline. 3. Te lifeline. 4. Te fatline, on lit some peuple hafti. Interprète Irline. Tiline Camberiad in direction, from te pinky fingue tout index fingue or vice versa, depending on te tradition ben followed. I believe to indicate motional stability, romantique perspective, dépression, en cardiaque health. Te basique interprétation à follow. Begien below index fingue, content with image titledria palin. Interprète Irline. Tiline Camberiad in direction, from te pinky fingue tout index fingue or vice versa, depending on te tradition ben followed. I believe to indicate motional stability, romantique perspective, dépression, en cardiaque health. Te basique interprétation à follow. Begien below index fingue, content with love leaf. Straight en short, les interest in romance. Touche lifeline, broken easily. Long en curvy, freli express emotion en feeling. Straight en parallèle toute idline, godant le en motion. Wavi, manie relationship en lever, absence of serious relationship. Circle honte line, sadness hors de pression. Broken line, motional trauma. Small line crossing through gear line, motional trauma. Examine te idline. Tire prosent à person learning style, communication à pro, intellectualisme, en thirst for knowledge. A curved line associated with creativity and spontaneity, while a straight line linked with practicality en a structured appro. Te basique interprétation à follow. Short line, prefer physical achievement over mental on. Curved, sloping line, creativity. Separated from life line, adventure, enthusiasm for life. Wavy line, short attention span. Deep, long line, thinking clear en focused. Straight line, think realistically. Donutor cross in line, motional crazy. Broken line, inconsistency in tube. Multiple cross through line, moment to decision. Evaluate te lifeline. Tibgianir te tombe en traveling en arctovartevrist. It reflect physical health, general well-being, en major life change, for exemple, cataclysmic event, physical injury, en recollation. Ilentino associated with lung of life. Te basique interprétation à follow. Run close to tombe, often tired. Curvy, plenty of energy. Long, deep, vitality. Short en shallow, manipulated bioterre. Sous paround in a semicircle, struntant enthusiasme. Straight en close to edge of the palm, cause you when it come to relationship. Multiple lifeline, extra vitality circle in line indicate, hospitalized or injured. Break, sudden change in life style. Study te fat line. T also known at line of destiny, en it indicate te degré to which a person life is affected by external circumstance beyond their control. It begin at base of the palm. The basic interpretation are follow. Discipline, strongly control by fat. Break en change of direction, prone to many change in life from external force. Star join to life lean, self-made individual, develop aspiration early on. Joint with the life lean around the int middle, signifie à point à wishon interest must be surrendere to those of author. Star à base of tombant cross life lean, support offered by family en frien. Deciphering te lean. Interpreting te en, fingé, et cetera. Determine en chap. En chap y associated with certain character traits. The line of the palm measured from the wrist to the bottom of the fingé. The basic interpretation are follow. Earth, Brad, Square palin en fingé, Ticorcoar susquin, en rudicolore, le line of the palm équal le line of fingé. Solide valuant en ergi, sommetim stuborn. Practical en responsible, sommetim matérialistique. Work with serrant, confortable with te tangible. R, square au rectangular palin with long fingé en sommetim protruding knuckle, l'ossette tombe, en draisquin, le line of te palm lestant le line of fingé. Water, long, sommetim ovale chapet palm, with long, flexible, conical fingé. Le line of te palm équal le line of fingé buil lestant vite across the widest part of the palm. Créative, perceptive en sympathétique. Cambe moody, motional en inhibited. Introvert. Doting quietly en intuitively. Fear, square au rectangular palm, flush d'orpinquesquin, en short et fingé, le line of te palm ygréate étant le line of fingé. Spontanou, enthousiastique en optimistique. Sommetim égoistique, impulsive en insensitive. Extrovert. Doting boldly en instinctivel. Interpreting te en, fingé, et cetera. Look at mu 1. Tao at fleshibit below your fingé arcal, on opposite side of your knuckle. To make thème visible, cup your en just a bit. Oui shon it largest. Aig venu mu 1. Te de your tombe, indique ta prédisposition for hedonisme, promiscuity, anteneit for instant gratification. Anon existe venu mu 1 indicate lit interest in family matter. Te mu 1 de your index fingei calt jupite mu 1. If the evil developed, it man you are dominant, possibly self-centered, en agressive. A lack of man you lack confidence. Unde your middle fingeit Saturn mu 1. Aig mu 1 show your stubborn, cynical, en prone to dépression. If it ilo, I en indicator of superficiality en disorganisation. Sun mu 1 ion de your ring fingé. Your kick tempered, extravagant, en prix de flux life you avaig sun mu 1. Allo sun mu 1 man you lack imagination. Mercury mu 1 ion de your pinky. If it protruding, you talk to mush. Allo mu 1 ment opposite, your chi. None of the based on science. En your anzark non to change true gutim. Dont acran of it to seriously. Interpreting te en, fingé, et cetera. Examine temps en fingé 6. Relative to the size of the body, some set as mal anzar active en don dwell on thinking yabu watudo. Large anzar on tos whor contemplative en slow to action. Remembé, ti relative to the body. If your it fait, 2.4 m, tal, 2.4 m, you're going to have bigger temps à 4 year old. Ial proportional. Ou à mort, long fingé mab en indicator of anxiety, in addition to ben red, good looking, en délicate. Short fingé arfoun dontos whor impatient, il y s'excède, en créative. Long fingernaille, honte-téant, man yourquin en ago de secret que p. Short fingernaille man your critical en sarcastique. If they roalement chaped, your souhait en diplomatique.